Bitter leaf soup. Hello, sweet fingers lovers. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bossy, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your bitter leaf soup. These are the ingredients you need to make your bitter leaf soup. This is your goat meat, your cocoyam, your ogiri, your stockfish, your dried fish, your bitter leaf, your blended crayfish, your red oil, your blended pepper, and also your cow offals, that's your cow intestine. And these are all the ingredients you need to make your bitter leaf soup. In the pot, you go in with your goat's meat and also your shaki. After that, you go in with your grated onion. After that, you go in with your seasoning cube. And a little bit of salt. Then you mix together and allow all ingredients to incorporate. And note, you're going to allow this to steam between 5 to 7 minutes. And I'm going to cover and allow it to steam properly between 5 to 7 minutes. After that, my meat is properly steamed, then I'm going to go in with a cup of water. But for you, you can just add water to it until your meat becomes tender. That's to your own preference. After that, I'm going to cover it and allow it to get cooked. In another pot, I'm going to go in to boil my cocoyam. So I'm just going to add water to my pot and pour in my cocoyam and allow it to get cooked for 15 minutes. And after that, I'm going to check to see if my cocoyam is fully cooked. If not, I'm going to allow it to get cooked again. But now my cocoyam is ready. So I'm going to bring it out and I'm going to peel the skin. Note, you have to wash it properly because it's very sandy. Then after that, I'm going to blend it. I just kept it on my blender, added a little bit of water and allow it to blend until it becomes a paste. And this is what we have. So we're going to keep this aside. Now my protein is all cooked and it is ready. So I'm going to go in with my dry fish and my stock fish. And after that, I'm going to go in with my blended pepper, then my red oil, and also my ogiri. This is the time you're going to go in with your other ingredients. I'm going to mix. And after that, I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil for just 5 minutes. After that, I'm going in with my paste, that's my blended cocoyam. I did not add all of them because I do not want my soup to be too thick. But if your soup turns out too thick, feel free to add a little bit of water to loosen it up. Then I'm going to go in with my blended crayfish. Then I'm going to mix together and allow it to boil for just 5 minutes. Our soup is almost ready. At this stage, feel free to test your soup to see if you want to add any seasoning of your choice. But for me, I'm okay with the taste of my soup. So I'm going to go in to add my bitter leaf. Note you have to be very generous with your bitter leaf because it is called bitter leaf soup. I'm going to allow this to boil for just 5 minutes. Then our soup is ready. All we have to do is just serve. And this is what we have. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, tell me what you think about this video. Would you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for everybody. And most especially, tell me what you think in this comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.